Now friends, let's talk about the JEE main solutions of 5th September evening shift. So let's start with this. Now, first question is a problem based on geometric progression and a very simple one. Let's have a look at it. If the sum of the second, third, fourth terms of a GP is 3 and sum of its 6th, 7th and 8th term is 243. Now here what has been given to us? You have been given to us as the sum of the second, third and fourth term. This is what is given to us. And also we have been given the sum of 6th, 7th and 8th term, right? So that means if I talk about this sum, going to be a very simple one. The first thing is we have AR plus AR square plus AR cube is equal to 3 we have, right? And also you have been given 6th, so that means AR 5, then we have AR 6, then we have AR 7 is equal to 243. Got it? Now if I take AR common, I have 1 plus R plus R square is equal to 3. Here we can take AR 5 common. So this is AR 5 and this is coming out to be again 1 plus R square is equal to 243 we have, right? So we can divide, this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. We can divide these two equations. So AA will be cancelled. So we can write it as, say, standard form R to the power 4 because 1 plus R square is cancelled with 1 plus R square. So this is coming out to be 81. This is 3 raised to the power 4. So R is coming out to be 3, right? And if you do the calculations here, we get A is equal to 1 upon 13. You can just have a look at this part, right? Now, R is equal to 3, A is equal to 1 by 13, students. So we can just substitute the values here, sum of 50 terms. So we can just use sum of 50 terms. That means A, R to the power 50 minus 1 upon R minus 1 we have. So you have been given R, as you can see here, we have found out A is equal to 1 by 13 by substituting the values here, the values of R. Now substitute all the values A and R, we get the option 4 to be the correct answer, right? So this is the final answer we have. Option number 4 we have, right? So this is the first one. Now let me go to the second one. Now let's talk about question number 2. The value of minus 1 plus iota root 3 divided by 1 minus iota raised to the power 30. So yes, how can you solve this? Because there is a presence of 30 here which will create a problem for us if we start with expansion part. Now let us convert minus 1 plus iota root 3 in the form of e raised to the power I theta. So basically how to convert it? Yes, we can just write in this way. We can take 2 here, this is minus 1 by 2 and this is plus iota, this is root 3 by 2 we have, right? So this can be written as twice of cos 2 pi by 3 plus iota sine 2 pi by 3, right? And this is what we have, twice of e raised to the power I 2 pi by 3 we have. Got it? Similarly, if I talk about 1 minus iota, so 1 minus iota is what? We have root 2 and this is coming out to be the same way. We can write this as minus iota pi by 4. So this is the Euler's form we have, right? That is e raised to the power I theta is nothing but we have cos theta plus iota sine theta we have. Got it? Now what we can do, we can just substitute these values here. When you substitute here, what we get, just have a look at this part. See, we have been given twice of e raised to the power I 2 pi by 3 divided by, we have been given root 2 which is e raised to the power minus I pi by 4, right? So this is cancelled, this is 30 we have. So this can be written as root 2 raised to the power 30 e raised to the power I minus pi by 2, right? So you can see here when you simplify this form, we get this form. So ultimately, if we talk about the final answer, yes, 2 raised to the power 15 will be there, because root 2 to the power 30 is 2 raised to the power 15. E raised to the power minus pi by 2 will be minus iota. So the first option will be the correct one we have. Now friends, let's talk about question number 3. Question states that which of the following points lies on the tangent to the curve x to the power 4 into e to the power y plus 2 under root y plus 1 is equal to 3 at the point 1 comma 0, right? It's a problem based on the tangent normal, and the differentiation of this expression is needed, right? So that means what we can do, if you want to differentiate this, so this is x to the power 4 e to the power y, and this is dy by dx we can write, okay, plus e to the power y, and this can be written as 4x cube. And here what we have twice of 1 upon twice y plus 1 we can write, into dy by dx we can write, that is equal to 0 we have. So 2 is cancelled here, okay. So at the point 1 comma 0 you have to find dy by dx. So at x is equal to 1, y is equal to 0, dy by dx will be coming out as minus 2, right? So that means if we talk about the equation of the tangent, that is nothing but we have y minus 0, which is minus 2, and this is we have x minus 1. So this is nothing but we have the equation of tangent here, equation of tangent. So when you talk about equation of tangent, then we have to also check that which are the points which lies on this particular equation of tangent, isn't it? So that means just check it. So we can see here the fourth option, minus 2 comma c. So which is nothing but we have y minus 0, y is equal to how much? Minus 2x, this is plus 2. So we can just take 6 here. So minus 2 into minus 2 is coming out to be 4, 4 plus 2 is 6. So 6 is equal to 6. So option 4 is coming out to be the right answer. So hopefully the questions are clear to you.